What's going on? How you guys doing today? Today is not Saturday, it's Thursday. That can only mean one thing.
Yeah. We're going boating?
We're going boating.
Yeah.
So we're mixing it up. We're gonna be doing a date night out on the water. We're gonna be grilling up fillets. Kim did the baked potatoes. So she cooked those. We're gonna go out to Fort De Soto. We're gonna catch a sunset, something that we haven't done before here.
We've talked about it a lot.
We've talked about
Catching the sunset on the boat, cooking up a swanky little meal.
Yeah, so I think it's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
So it's hot. You know, I'll tell you that. It's it's Florida. It's July. It's hot,
Perfect for grilling.
It's perfect for grilling and chilling. We got a little bit of a wind, not too
breeze.
Yeah, not too bad. But we put it at the Fort De Soto boat ramps, just right over there. Not many boats over there at Bunce's, so we're just going to just kind of cruise on up there, just relax, grill, chill. Sunset, get back to the ramp. Hopefully the no-see-ums don't get us.
We'll be fine.
We'll be fine.
I bought bug spray.
Oh, okay.
Bug spray.
We got bug spray, so that's the play.
Totally different for us, but we're it's the holiday weekend. We don't go out. Holiday weekend.
So we're gonna bring you guys with us. We're gonna grill up those fillets, baked potatoes. You got asparagus as well. Asparagus as well.
Red wine.
Oh yeah, we got a bottle of red wine. It was BOGO at Publix, so we're gonna enjoy that red wine. So come with us, sit back, relax, and let's get into it. Peace. So we're over here at Fort De Soto. Greg, hello, we see you.
Greg's out there.
He's
out on shore.
Yeah, he's out on shore. He looks like he's probably packing it up for the day. A little windier and wavier than anticipated. So what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna chill here. We're gonna chill here. We got other people chilling, so we're gonna chill. We'll bust out the wine in a minute, right? So we'll do that, and then we're gonna grill. We gotta grill, then watch the sunset. Sunset's 8:30.
Oh man.
So
it's a minute.
Yeah, I mean we can start cooking before then, but we'll just kind of sit here and enjoy this for a minute.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna start grilling because I'm getting hungry.
I know, I'm hungry
You're
too.
hungry? All right, so we're hungry, so we're gonna do that. But yeah, that cruise ship way over there. Let me see. If I can...
show them the grasshopper.
No, I'm not showing them the grasshopper. Oh. So out there in the distance.
There he goes. Look at him. He's hauling ass.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I don't know if it's a Disney one or it's a margarita.
Yeah, actually, now that I look at it, it might not be as big as a Disney cruise.
Correct, they're pretty big. Greg, that's you out there with your blue umbrella there.
Hi, Greg.
So got the Disney going on. So Eggman over there. All right, that's enough yapping. We're gonna go chill. Talk to you guys in a bit. Peace. So
Where do you need me?
Is that the setup?
It's kind of nice.
All right, that looks good. Yeah, that might work. So it's about hungry time. What time we got here? It's 6:57. All right, so we're gonna start grilling, right?
What time is it?
6:57.
Oh shoot!
It's still a little wavier than I was anticipating here.
A little bit.
So, all right. So first thing we're gonna do is we got the potatoes. So we'll start getting those kind of warmed up and stuff. So hopefully it's not too windy to light this. And we've got the taters here and this guy right here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't think you're just gonna be chilling there and not doing anything now.
What do you mean?
Because you're not even getting up.
What do you need me to do?
Ooh.
That's asparagus.
Okay. When do I put the asparagus on?
At the end.
Okay.
I don't even need that hot.
So these are taters.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are still kind of warm actually.
Are they?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go.
All right. So this is at the end. Just don't want to forget about him. Got the taters there. You're on vacation while people be working.
Babe, I got all that stuff prepped.
Oh, all right.
You need help?
Yeah, salt and pepper.
Yep.
Oh.
All right. If you ain't seasoning.
If you ain't sneezing, you ain't seasoned. So we went to Publix. We got these tenderloins. Yeah. Is that, do you have an extra one? Is that the rub? I can just do it on here.
I have a couple.
Oh, okay. Cool.
It's up to you.
Yep. I usually just do it on here.
Then we got these. Salt.
Salt. I gotta do it kind of low here because of the wind. Let's see, some salt.
I didn't bring, like fancy Himalayan.
Yeah, the grinder or anything like that.
Yeah, it's just
salt.
Standard
Salt.
Morton's.
And that.
Is that even on us then?
Yeah, it's hopefully. It should be. There we go. Get a little B-roll. Salt. Should be enough salt. All right, and then we're gonna do the pepper.
Oh, there goes the white pepper. This is a mix.
Oh, okay. Mix of what?
White and
Oh, okay.
regular.
Oh, gotcha. Cool. So those boys are seasoned. So now we're just gonna throw them on. So, and stick this. All right. So stick this. Then we got this other stuff. Oh, this is for the taters and everything. Take that out.
oh shoot.
Oh, babe.
Yeah, you're not supposed to bring red wine on a boat.
Oh, no.
I just remembered that.
Because it stains everything?
Yeah, it stains. So don't spill.
It's your boat.
Did you bring the stopper?
Probably not. We have one, I know, in there, in one of those things. If you want to get it. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and just cook this up and enjoy this here, and because this is a lot to do.
This is a lot
to do.
We're juggling a lot.
Yeah,
we thought it was going to be calmer. So notes for next time: it's got to be glass.
Well,
It's got to be glass.
It was supposed to be glass. That's what the app said. The app said glass.
Yeah. Well, we just got to move.
Yeah. So, and we didn't bring sunglasses, and
Yeah.
yeah. And we'll figure this out. We're like I said, we're just two random people on YouTube.
Yep. Cool. Two random people.
Cool.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, you got the sour cream and chives.
Does your plate fit in there?
Oh, yep. Sour cream. Scoop a dip on that. With the scoop. How's this looking?
It's looking like a proper
Ooh, there we go.
steak dinner.
Get it. There you go. That smells good.
Is there anything else in here? There's something in here, no? Or is that cheese?
No, it's empty. Yeah.
All right, you got the butter already in there. And yeah.
We got a fork. Here we go.
Yeah.
Cool.
That's in there.
Let me cut into this.
You're already cutting. Just calm down, everybody.
Go ahead. Go ahead. I'm gonna cut in.
Some B-roll
Oh
here.
yeah. All right.
This is how I did mine. Just roll it in.
Roll it in, nice and. All right, get the B-roll on that.
All right, got it?
Yeah, get it. Because people be hungry, we can't be filming.
Go ahead, cut into your steak.
Let's see, so we got the filet there.
Oh, look at that. That's perfect.
That looks pretty good. Let me.
Good?
Yeah, sounds
You need
good.
salt and pepper?
All right,
Enough yapping?
that's enough. That's enough yapping. We gotta eat. This is good stuff. Enough yapping.